Hi, today I'm going to show you how the new and amazing features of the AI home refrigerator can be used in our daily lives. I've got a few special tips, so let's hurry up and head on over to the kitchen. The daily board helps to manage the weather, schedule, notes, meal plans, and more, all while sipping on a drink. I use Good Morning mode in the morning. All my devices set up automatically based on my settings. It's so easy. You can watch YouTube videos or listen to music on Spotify. Let's watch a funny video.
Hey, honey, can you open the door for me, please?
Oh, and you can check the doorbell alarm just like this.
Hey, Bob.
Sure, one sec.
So just place it where the camera can see and it automatically recognizes it?
Just trust me.
Oh, it really works.
That's the special feature, AI vision inside.
Hold on, let me try this again.
So the automatic recognition works for 37 different types of fresh food, but it can also suggest registering other frequently used ingredients through algorithm recognition. See, you can register it like this. Just to add the name, the expiration date, and you're done.
Oh, okay. But will it alert me when the expiration date is near?
Oh, of course. And what makes it easier is that full list shows all the items on the shelves as a list, and then left drawer bin and right drawer bin displays captured images.
Oh, the onion expires today.
See, if it wasn't for AI vision inside, it would have been wasted. Select onion, hit search, and what do you want to eat?
How about onion rings?
I love onion rings. That sounds so good. Okay, give it a try. Thanks.
What? So, what do you think?
Well, is this an onion ring? Wait, why is this so good?
Followed the recipe.
I am so impressed. When ingredients run out, I just add them to the shopping list and order it right away. It's so convenient. Do you want anything else?
I don't know. How about frozen onion rings?
Oh, come on. They were so tasty.
Try AI energy mode?
Oh yeah, the refrigerator efficiently uses energy based on the situation. Saves up to 10%.
10%?
So the fridge tracks usage patterns. At night when it's not being used, it adjusts the compressor speed to save energy. Efficient during the day, frugal at night. And with automatic frost detection, defrosting only happens when needed. Unlike other fridges, this one cuts unnecessary power usage.
Oh, nice. What about other appliances?
Of course, you can set all your appliances to AI energy mode at once.
Ooh, game changer.
Hi Bixby, clean the living room with the robot vacuum. Oh, and start the washing machine with the AI wash too.
I thought you were talking to me. It's like you're talking to a real person.
Bixby's gotten so smart these days, it understands multiple commands at once. And you can also check the water filter replacement schedule at home care.
It needs to be replaced in 2 weeks.
Oh, in that case, I'll just buy it right now. Oh. Hello? Yeah, I guess so. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye. Anna's coming for dinner.
Oh, really? What should we prepare?
Hi Bixby, suggest a dinner menu with ingredients in the fridge. Oh, and make it gluten-free too.
Oh, marinated salmon looks good.
Ooh, good idea.
Right?
You want to give it a try?
How's it look?
That looks so good.
No, it just needs to chill for a bit.
Wow, looks like you really know how to handle that fridge.
Of course. Auto open door is my specialty.
You know you can open the door using Bixby voice?
Oh, really?
Let me show you. Hi Bixby. Open the door, please.
Whoa, it really works.
Of course it really works. Oh, and it's better to keep the salmon steaks in the FlexZone drawer rather than the shelves. Then you can adjust the temperature with 5 different modes and better suit your ingredients. Oh, I gotta refill the water infuser with lemon. Oh.
I already did it.
What? I just love that our water dispenser is inside the fridge door. Just more hygienic.
I think it looks cleaner too. By the way, do we have any ice?
I think so. Let me check. Plenty of cubed ice and ice bites. But we can change it if we want. Right now, we're set to making it 2 different types of ice, but we can change it to 1 if needed.
How about a cold juice?
Nah, I have my mineral water, so ice bites for me. Thanks.
Okay.
The AI home refrigerator brings new convenience and joy to our daily lives. You should try it yourself. You'll truly feel a difference. Thanks for watching.
It looked good out there.
Thank you. Here's my ice bites.
It is.